Hi everyone, happy Friday! Today we are going to read a story called At the Amusement Park by Jen Voigt, illustrated by Alex Weishart. And so, if we don't know what an amusement park is, we can use this picture to kind of guide us and show us what it's about. So, we see that there's a roller coaster, and amusement parks are like maybe you've been to Disneyland, Disney World, Great America, Six Flags, those are places that are pretty popular. They have lots of roller coasters. Almost all amusement parks come with roller coasters or Ferris wheels or some kind of rides. And we see that there is a boy in this picture as well. So I can assume that there is something about a boy going to an amusement park. Let me move this. Zach is at the amusement park. So this must be Zach. The merry-go-round moves slowly. The roller coaster moves fast. The pirate ship moves back and forth. The water on the water slide moves down. The dart moves in the air. We hit those balloons. What would you try? So there was the merry-go-round, roller coaster, the pirate ship, playing the games. Those are all fun things you can do in an amusement park. And you can think about which one would you like to try doing. The end. So we're going to go to our next video to answer a few questions about what we just read.